guys, here back with another video. I'm playing the Fun Monkey Horror, and there's a hacker hacking one of our lobbies with the new update. And he's spawning siren heads everywhere, and sometimes you can hear him. There's like multiple kids recording right now. Oh, Hydro! Dude, I remember you from one other video. Shoot.
Let's stop. Is there a monster here?
There's a modder. Not a monster, a modder. No. He's gonna hack our games, bro. He already wiped out half of the game. He just spawned Siren Head. I don't know, he's a hacker. We gotta go back to the others. Yes.
Is he gone?
Yeah, he's gone.
We are reporting live from news right now. We have several monkeys have disappeared since the Siren Head incident. One monkey has made it out alive. Monkey, do you know what happened? Do you know what happened?
A person left over there.
Are you sure? Are you sure people didn't die?
None of us are tagged.
I'm pretty sure he died.
Bro, the modder's it.
Okay, he says he's pretty
never mind.
sure a lot of people have died.
Run for your life. The mod does that. The mod does that. On Nemo's Is Nemo still in the quote? Is Nemo still in the
I don't know if Nemo's still here. We had to pause that emergency live broadcast. All right, we are going live in 3, 2, 1. This is live channel 74 news. We have made it out. We have some leftover recording, but we are not live right now.
Wait.
We are not left right now. We are currently under a lockdown.
Never leave any monkeys
Siren Head
behind.
has killed at least 5 people that we know of as of right now. He has
You're
made it out
alive.
alive, and he has told us that he's seen many people die, and someone was reported dead. We don't have any information or update on Nemo, but we do hear is ready for players.
This is crazy, bro.
He's probably being chased by Siren Head. We have to go. We have to. We have to. I don't care what any of y'all say. I'm leaving. I ain't doing that. Oh no. Guys, I'm not being.
He's coming.
Siren Head, I made it alive. Oh, there he is. He's over there. He's
Yes!
over there. He's over there.
Siren Head, bro.
Go.
Guys, comment if you can hear him, bro.
Over and over again. People are dying and coming back. We have no idea what is necessary. Someone had died and had ambushed and tricked us into saying that he was not being followed by the monster.
I got a question. When you guys booted up the game, did you see a next spot inside of the city?
Yeah.
Wait, everybody,
And
wait, hear me out. Wait. Duck,
I've been trying to talk for it. I've been trying to talk forever. Can I talk, please?
yeah.
Oh, you guys, all of them! Wait, everyone, hear me out. If there has to be other people, because if none of us are tagged, then that means that that's probably
He's coming.
He's coming! Go, run!
Look, see when your game crashed? Did everybody like disappear?
I heard like footsteps.
I heard nothing. I just
What kind of footsteps? Like a monkey footsteps? A human footsteps? What kind of footsteps?
Monkey footsteps.
If necessary, we have to leave everybody behind. Well, not everybody, but we have to leave some people
If
behind
necessary,
if
you must
necessary.
break your... You must break...
I hear him. I hear Nemo.
Go! So far, we are currently live on television news.
Guys, we should go find Siren Head. Guys, can we go look for Siren Head?
There's 3 known entities. They're all chasing us.
He's coming.
Nemo is the most powerful.
I see Siren Head, I'm running.
Shoot. He's right next to us, bro. We should run.
No.
Go. I'll be back in forest if we die.
I'm going towards him.
You idiot. Oh, guys, this is crazy. He's coming. Screw it. Guys, wait for me. I'm glitching.
That means he's close. You gotta run fast. Run for your lives. Run for your lives.
Once again.
Shoot. I'm dead. Shoot. We're dead.
Never leave the monkey behind. You're leaving me behind. We have to. We can't only us to be here. Now you're following us. Hear me. Guys, can you hear me? No, don't leave us behind. You have to come get us. Yeah, you have to come get us.
Guys,
Come on.
might not be able to phone monkey VR. So. I'm dead. Guys, wait for me, please.
Hey, everybody behind us, give us updates on Siren Head. Siren Head.
Cut. You can't leave monkeys behind. That is illegal.
But we have to. You're ruining our fun. And it's not legal.
Shoot. I'm gonna end the video here. No, I can't.
Run this fast as you can. These guys leave us alone.
I know.
I'm so glad I made it this far.
Oh, you're not safe.
I died. Guys, we have to keep going this way. Go this way. Go this way. Go this way.
Someone died over there. Someone died over there.
Well, dead because of you guys. How did this feel? Oh, it's a thorn. Let's go forward. I think we lost. I told you, Simon. Get on the tree. Now. Get on the tree now. No way. Wait for me to see that clone. Because of you and those other monkeys. We told you to stop following us, but you said British or Australian. I don't care what you are. Please.
Me?
Yeah. Okay, alright, my name is S. I can barely hear! My username is S. Wait. I heard Cartoon Cat earlier.
1 second.
Yeah.
See you, monkeys.
Oh, yeah, there's